Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show where the OBD2 port is and show how to hook an OBD2 code reader up to it on my 2026 Toyota Corolla. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions, and refer to the owner's manual of your car for all of the specifics. Okay, I'm on the driver's side of the car with the driver's side door open. And then I'm just gonna go right down here. So below the open hood latch, right here is the OBD2 port. And if you take a look at the OBD2 port, the top and bottoms are different lengths and the sides are angled. So an OBD2 code reader can only fit on one way. So when you are ready to hook up your OBD2 code reader, just make sure that you plug it in the correct direction. And this is the OBD2 code reader that I'm going to use. This is an Ansel AD310. And then over here is the plug end side of the cord for the OBD2 code reader. And like I was saying, whatever OBD2 code reader you use, just make sure that you plug it in the correct direction. And just make sure that you plug it in all the way securely. And here's what it says on the screen. Okay, so I'm not going to start the car. I'm just going to turn the car to the on position. Right there. Okay, now I'm going to press the enter button. And then it has some information there. And it gives a couple different options here. I'm going to select the one that says engine. I'm just going to press enter. And there are different options here depending on what you want to do. Just for this example, I'll select read codes. And then there are two options here, stored codes or pending codes. So I will start with the stored codes. And it says no codes are stored in the module. And then I think I could press any key to continue, or it just eventually just went back to this screen. So I'll check the pending codes too. And it says no pending codes are stored in the module. And then it just kind of times out and goes back to this screen. I think I could press any key to exit. So I'm going to select exit. And I do have a more in-depth video about the Ansel AD310 OBD2 code reader. And if you're interested in watching that video, I will link that video in the description below. For now, I'm just going to select exit. And I'm going to select exit again. And then it says exit test, exit OBD2 test. Are you sure? I'm going to select yes. And then I'm to the main menu here. And there are different options in the main menu. So what I'm going to do now is to turn the car off. Okay, so I'm going to turn the car off. I did not start the car. I just turned it to the on position. And I'm just going to unplug the OBD2 code reader now. Alright guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And if you do like this type of content, consider subscribing if you're not already so we can stay connected. I do plan on making more videos about my 2026 Toyota Corolla LE. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and have a good one. Bye guys!